How long to bake potatoes? 45 to 60 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 220 degrees Celsius. Cooking time will vary depending on the size of your potatoes. Make sure you thoroughly clean the potato skins and remove any blemishes. Dry the skins after washing if you want extra crispy skins. Rub the potatoes with olive oil and season them with salt and pepper. Prick each potato several times with a fork to allow steam to escape, or you may end up with a mess of exploding potatoes. You can test your potatoes with a fork. If your fork slides effortlessly through your potatoes, they are done. Massimo Bottura said, "Not everyone can be a truffle. Most of us are potatoes, and a potato is a very good thing to be." If you like potatoes, please consider using the link below to buy me a coffee or a new jacket for my pet alligator. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and click on the notification bell.